In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to minimize your Asana projects and stay more organized. 5 minutes. First, open Asana and sign in. On the login page, enter your email address, click continue, then enter your password and select log in. Keep your credentials private as you follow along. Once you land on your Asana homepage, navigate to the project you want to simplify. Everything we do next will help you shrink visual clutter and make work easier to scan. Start by structuring the project with sections and subtasks. Sections act like lanes that split a long list into meaningful groups. Choose a simple framework that fits your team, by category, by priority, by workflow stage, or even by assignee, if ownership is what matters most. A classic workflow is to do, in progress, and completed. Clear section names reduce decision fatigue and make status obvious at a glance. Keep the number of sections small so the page stays scannable on any screen size, and use consistent naming across projects to make it easy for teammates to navigate. Next, break down any big, vague task into subtasks. Smaller steps are easier to assign, estimate, and complete. If a task keeps stalling, it's a sign it needs one or two subtasks that spell out the next concrete actions. Now add clarity with custom fields. Create fields like priority, status, or due date so every task carries the same crucial details. Agree on field values as a team, such as low, medium, and high, so everyone tags work the same way and your views remain consistent. Once fields are in place, use them to filter and sort. For example, sort by due date to see what's coming up, or filter by priority to focus on high impact work first. Consistent field use turns your project into a reliable dashboard rather than a noisy list. Open the Customize panel for more control. Here, you can connect forms to your custom fields so new requests arrive pre-filled and consistently labeled. This prevents manual entry and keeps your project tidy as it grows. You can also create rules to automate repetitive steps, like moving a task to in progress when its status changes, assigning it to the right person, or nudging due dates based on priority. Automation cuts busy work and enforces the structure you designed. With these tools, sections, subtasks, custom fields, filters, forms, and rules, you'll keep projects lean, searchable, and up to date. Explore the remaining options in the Customize panel to fine-tune your setup without overcomplicating it. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and your Asana projects will feel lighter and more organized every day.